Today I'm going to share tips with you for growing roses. Most species do well when planted in full sun, meaning at least 6 hours of full sunlight to light shade. They also require well-drained soil. I recommend you amend your soil with compost before planting. You can reduce disease and insect populations with winter pruning and picking up fallen leaves. Look for pruning workshops in your area in the winter. Roses are not drought tolerant, and in our warmest months they will need to be irrigated at least twice a week. Mulching will help your soil hold moisture along with keeping weeds down. Remember to keep your mulch a few inches away from the base of your plant to prevent rot. The mulch I like to use is shredded bark, or also called gorilla hair. I like it because it stays in place, however, it is not fire retardant. If you're looking for a rose that requires less water, look for the carpet rose varieties. I have one right here. Roses may develop a fungus called black spot. It's caused by leaves remaining wet, usually from nighttime watering. To prevent black spot, water the plant from below or water in the morning so the leaves may dry out. Aphids. Aphids love young roses and shoots and buds. If you have low to moderate numbers on healthy plants, they'd be left alone as their food for beneficial insects, such as lady beetles and their larvae. Lady beetle larvae are commonly found on roses and look like little blackish alligators. The easiest way to control aphids is to knock them off the plants with a strong spray of water. If they've done enough damage to cause the leaves to curl, prune the leaves off. You may also find large circular bites taking from around the edges of your leaves. These are made by leaf cutter bees who use the plant parts to line their nests. They're good guys. Leave them alone. And don't forget to take the time to stop and smell the roses.